Good afternoon all. We'll start MOSFET. Okay. So JIPT we've completed. We'll start MOSFET. We'll first see the depletion type MOSFET. So in the classification, I have told you basically the field effect transistor is divided into first JIPT, it is junction field effect transistor, and another is MOSFET. Okay. And again, MOSFET is divided into your depletion type MOSFET and enhancement type MOSFET. Okay. So first we'll see about the depletion type MOSFET. Yes. Yeah, any problem? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll see D type or depletion MOSFET. Okay. So first we'll see its construction, its working principle, and then we'll see some problem based on that and its characteristics. So these are the things which we'll analyze. So I'm talking about N type D MOSFET. So like in case of your JIPT, it can be N type or P type. So similarly, D MOSFET can also be of N type or P type. Okay. So basically, so this is one P type material taken. So this is a P type body, P type material. Okay. So inside this P type material, what has been done? So this person is converted to N type. Okay. N type, and this is N type. Okay. So this one is N type, and this one is also N type. Okay. So now one terminal, let us say this terminal will act as a drain and this terminal will act as a source. Okay. And there is a path or channel between this drain and source. Okay. So this channel means it is also, this channel is also converted to N type. Okay. So two terminals I have, one is your drain terminal and another is your source terminal, and there is a path between this drain and source, and this path is also of N type. Okay. So I have a P type body, this complete is a body. Okay. So P type body or P type substrate is also called. Okay. So on this P type body, this person is converted to N and this person is also converted to N. Okay. So this one is called as the drain and this one is called as the source. Okay. So basically they look same. Okay. So there is, I mean, no difference between this drain terminal and source terminal. So as for the voltage connection, one terminal is called as the drain and another terminal is called as the source. So normally this N terminal is or this source terminal is connected to ground and this drain terminal is connected to the higher potential. Okay, in case of a N type DFAT. And there is a path or there is a channel between this drain and source. This is also of N type. Okay. Now what else has been done here? There is a insulating layer above this material. It's an insulator. Insulator. Okay, so normally it is taken as silicon dioxide or SiO2. Okay, because silicon dioxide will act as an insulator. So there is a layer of silicon dioxide put on this surface or this person, some SiO2 is applied, which acts as the insulator. Okay. So now above this SiO2 layer, there is one metal layer. Okay, मैं इसको erase कर देता हूँ. Just you know that this shaded portion is the insulator layer. Okay, so this shaded portion is the insulating layer, which is constructed of SiO2 or silicon dioxide. Okay, and above this SiO2 there is one metal layer. Okay, and this one will act as a gate. This one will act as a gate terminal. So this will act as a drain terminal, and this will act as a source terminal. Okay. So what till this point we have discussed? We are taking a p-type substrate. This portion is converted to N, and this is your drain terminal. This portion is converted to N-type material. So this is source terminal, and there is a path between drain and source. So this path is also of N-type material, and there is a insulating layer above this channel. ये जो channel जो है इतना है, okay, उसके ऊपर एक insulating layer है, okay, and this insulating layer is constructed of SiO2, okay, silicon dioxide, and above this SiO2 there is a metal or conducting layer, okay, and this one is called as the gate terminal. Okay, so now this is my depletion type MOSFET device. Okay, so now I'll do the appropriate voltage connection, and I'll see how the current is flowing or anything else that I'll see. Okay. Suppose initially the gate and source terminal are connected. Okay, that means basically I am applying VGS equal to 0. So this is my source, this is my source terminal. VGS is 0. Okay, and this source terminal is connected to, let's say, ground also. Okay, so both gate and source are shorted, and that source is connected to ground. Now I am applying certain voltage to the drain terminal. VDS is applied. Okay, so what will happen now, that we'll see. So here it's a positive terminal, it will try to pull electron. Okay, so this negative terminal, it contains some electron, so electron will come, okay, and it will come to the source terminal. Okay, it will enter to this N-type region. Next, through this path, through this channel, this is called the channel. Okay, through this channel the electron will move from the source to the drain. Okay, and it will reach at this drain terminal. Okay, after that it will move towards in this direction, and it will reach at the positive terminal of the battery. Okay, that means electron will come here, it will come here, it will reach here, and it will come here, it will come here, finally it will reach at the positive terminal of the battery. Okay, now if the electron is moving in this way, the drain current direction I will give is, this is my ID, right? Okay, now tell me, will there be any current flowing to the gate terminal? Because you can say electron is coming, here it is coming, here it will reach here. Okay, so after that, is there any possibility of electron to make a current through the gate terminal?
No, sir.
Yes, there is no possibility, because there is a insulating layer. Okay, so since I have an insulating layer, so the electron cannot enter in this way. Okay, so the only electron can enter through this source terminal. Okay, so till this point I think there should not be any problem. Just I have a path here, I am applying a positive voltage, so this positive voltage is attracting electron, so electron is coming from this negative terminal, it is coming or going through the source terminal, through this channel, reaching at this drain terminal, again going to the positive terminal of the battery. Okay, now what is the role of this gate terminal, then we'll see that. Okay, suppose I am applying a voltage here. Suppose I am applying a positive voltage here. I applied a positive voltage here. Okay, anyway, before going to this thing, I should tell you about the saturation current. Okay. Just No, I don't think there's any connection. Any connection from this room to that other lab? Just check it. Okay, do it. Okay, so here my VGS was 0. Okay, so we'll see. Let us say with respect to VDS, how the ID is changing. That we have we'll see. So initially, what I told you that I have a path. So let us say you apply some VDS value. So electron will come and it will move. Okay. So the current will flow. So when you increase VDS, what will happen? The current will increase or not?
Yes, sir.
My VGS is 0. I'm not talking about VGS anything. So there is no role of this VGS now. Okay, just I'm applying, let us say 1 volt I applied. So as for 1 volt, let us say 1 ampere current is flowing. Now if I'll put here 2 volt, then it will attract, pull with more force. So more electron will go. Okay, so when your as for the VDS, when the VDS is increasing, the current is going on increasing. Okay, the same thing was also happening in case of your JFET. Just a minute. Sir, it has been switched on. Switch. Let's check. Okay. So the VDS is increasing, and with respect to VDS increasing this VDS, ID is also increasing. Okay, fine. But what will happen? Any other phenomenon is happening or not? That we'll see. Okay. Suppose I am applying, let us say, 5 volt here. Okay. Or let's say 2 volt I am applying. I'm applying 2 volt. So this 2 volt is here. That means this drain terminal is creating an electric field, and this electric field is trying to pull the electron. Okay, now tell me the strength of the electric field will be more here or it will be more here? Just I have connected this battery positive terminal to this drain terminal. Okay, so that means this 2 volt is connected to here. So it is creating an electric field. Okay, so that electric field strength will be more near this drain terminal or away the drain terminal. Just think and tell me. Here this drain terminal is creating an electric field. That means attracting force it is creating. So that force will be more near this terminal or away the terminal. Are you listening to me or not?
Yes, sir.
ये एक फोर्स क्रिएट कर रहा है. ये जो फोर्स क्रिएट कर रहा है वो फोर्स कहाँ ज्यादा होगा? इसके पास ज्यादा होगा या दूर में ज्यादा होगा?
इसके पास.
Obviously. Okay, suppose anything, let's say any particular object is creating a force, so that force will be gradually weaker when you go away from that object. Okay, so the electric field which is created by this drain terminal is stronger near this terminal, and it will be weaker away the terminal. That means what I want to say, that the electric field or the pulling strength is stronger at this location, and that pulling strength or this electric field will be weaker at this location. Okay, so that means what will happen? More number of electron will be attracted or shifted from this portion to the drain terminal, but less number of electron will be shifted from this side to the other side. Okay, so basically how the current is flowing, you applied here 2 volt. So this 2 volt is trying to pull electron. Okay, so this electron is shifted here. Okay, when it is shifted, this electron is shifted here. This electron is shifted here. Okay, this electron is shifted here. तो एक एक करके शिफ्ट हो रहे हैं. ओके, लेकिन इसका जो पुलिंग फोर्स है, दैट पुलिंग फोर्स इज मोर एट दिस लोकेशन, and this pulling force is gradually decreasing when we are going away. That means here the strength is less and here the strength is more. So suppose assume 10 electrons are shifted from this point to this thing, but when we are going away, यहाँ से क्या हो रहा है कि suppose मान लो कि 5 electron has been shifted. Okay, so if this thing is happening, finally what I will obtain, initially my channel was like this, but out of this channel more electrons are shifted from this location, but less electrons are getting shifted here. So that's why what will happen, this channel will be changed like this, or it will be gradually decreased near this drain terminal. Why it is like this? Got it or not? That means more electrons are shifted from this point to drain terminal, but that many number of electrons are not getting shifted from here to here, क्योंकि ये जो इसका जो इलेक्ट्रिक स्ट्रेंथ है, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ है, so that field strength is getting decreased when we are going away from this terminal. Okay, so that is the point, because of which this channel is getting thinner near this drain terminal. Okay, so when this voltage will increase, current will flow, or current will go with a more rate, but along with that, this channel will also goes on decreasing. Okay, so like this, when you go on increasing this drain voltage, suppose initially 2 volt दिया था, तो 2 volt में ये channel decrease होके इतना हुआ. उसके बाद क्या किया कि suppose मान लो 4 volt दिया, 4 volt में यहाँ पे और थोड़ा सा decrease हो गया. चैनल का जो शेप है इस तरफ का हो गया. उसके बाद मान लो कि 5 volt दे दिया. ओके, 5 volt में ये जो चैनल है completely, मतलब this channel width near this drain is almost 0. ओके, उसके बाद जब ये वोल्टेज को बढ़ाते चलोगे और क्या होगा, करंट ज्यादा नहीं बढ़ेगा, वहां पे ही सैचुरेशन हो जाएगा. ओके, so that means the current will go till this point and here it will be almost constant. Got the point why it is getting saturated? Because I told you that whatever the voltage you are applying, that voltage is reaching here near the drain terminal, and this drain terminal is creating a electric field. So that field strength is more near this drain terminal and that is weaker away the drain terminal. So more electrons are shifted from this channel to the drain, okay, near this drain. Okay, but less number of electrons are getting transferred in the channel near the source side. Okay, चैनल का जो सोर्स साइड है, सोर्स के लग के जो चैनल है, वहां से कम इलेक्ट्रॉन शिफ्ट हो रहा है, लेकिन ड्रेन के साइड में जो पोर्शन है वहां से ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉन शिफ्ट हो जा रहा है. ओके, तो अगर ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉन शिफ्ट हो जा रहा है, वहां पे जो एन टाइप मटेरियल है उसका विड्थ कम हो जाएगा. ओके, एंड ग्रेजुअली दिस चैनल इज गेटिंग डिक्रीज्ड, एंड एट ए पर्टिकुलर वोल्टेज दिस चैनल विल बी completely zero, or channel width will be completely zero near this drain terminal. Okay, and after that, if you go on increasing the drain voltage, still the current will not increase. Okay, it will be saturated. Okay, getting it or not? And why it is decreasing? That I told you that when I am telling that this is the n type channel, that means what? These are the portion which has been converted to n type. That means there are certain n type material or n type impurity connected here. Okay, or the free electron, let us say free electrons, some free electrons are available here. So those free electrons are taking part in the conduction of the electricity. Okay, and as I told you, let us say initially total 1000 electrons were present inside this channel. Okay, and they were equally distributed. Okay, now more electrons are shifted from this location, from this upper region or near this drain region, more electrons are getting shifted. So when these electrons are shifted, the n-type material or this width of this or the availability of this electron will be less. Okay, suppose total यहाँ से इतना लोकेशन में suppose 100 इलेक्ट्रॉन था. Okay, 100 से मान लो 50 इलेक्ट्रॉन चला गया, तो 50 इलेक्ट्रॉन जब चला गया उसका जो width है, okay, ये width कम हो जाएगा. Okay, then the channel is like this. Okay, and here more electrons are getting shifted, but that many number of electrons are not getting shifted from this source side. So that's why this channel is getting slanted or slope, with a particular slope. The channel is getting changed like this. Okay, did you understood the concept or not? So this is the important thing. You should know this thing.
Yes, sir.
Sir, after
Yes.
5 volt, sir,
Huh?
after 5 volt, current would be saturated.
Yes.
Okay.
5 volt, I'm just giving an example. Okay.
So, example.
Example. Okay. Not these values are not, I mean, exact thing. Okay. Just I'm giving an example. Suppose I'm going on increasing the voltage. Okay. So initially channel इतना था, धीरे धीरे channel कम हो रहा है. ओके ऐसे होके मान लो कि 5 वोल्ट जब हो गया तो उसमें चैनल का विड्थ इसमें ये पॉइंट में 0 हो गया। ओके उसके बाद जितना भी वोल्टेज बढ़ा होगे तो और ज्यादा करंट नहीं जा सकता है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो चैनल का जो विड्थ है ये पूरा 0 तक हो गया है। ओके तो उसके लिए इससे बाद जब वोल्टेज बढ़ाओगे तो करंट उसमें उतना ही रहेगा मैक्सिमम। ओके एंड दिस पॉइंट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज द पिंच ऑफ पॉइंट, pinch of point. Okay and this curve we obtained for VGS equal to 0. Okay
सर वहां से इलेक्ट्रॉन जाने के बाद वहां पे तो होल क्रिएट होगा।
नहीं होल क्यों क्रिएट होगा, देखो इसमें ये एन टाइप जो चैनल था दैट वाज एन टाइप पर्सन, दैट मींस वहां पे फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन था। तो यहाँ से इलेक्ट्रॉन आ रहा है, जब इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ से आ रहा है तो ये वाला फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन इधर शिफ्ट हो रहा है और उसका डेफिशिएंसी ये जो नेगेटिव टर्मिनल से जो इलेक्ट्रॉन आ रहा है उसमें मेकअप कर दे रहा है, तो टोटल पाथ कंप्लीट होता है ना।
यस
तो
सर।
और होल क्यों क्रिएट होगा, सपोज मान लो ये सारे इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन था। ओके यहाँ से एक इलेक्ट्रॉन आया, जब एक इलेक्ट्रॉन आके इधर रहेगा तो वो इसमें जो पहले से इलेक्ट्रॉन है तो वहाँ ऊपर शिफ्ट करेगा, ये वाला इलेक्ट्रॉन ये ऊपर शिफ्ट करेगा, ऐसे कर करके यहाँ से एक ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉन उधर चला जाएगा। ओके तो एक इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ से आया, इस तरफ से भी एक इलेक्ट्रॉन निकल के चला गया। ओके तो सर्किट कंप्लीट हो गया। लेकिन उसमें सिर्फ इतना हो रहा है जो डिफरेंस मैंने बोला कि सपोज मान लो ये लोकेशन में से 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन गया, लेकिन यहाँ से आइडियली क्या होना चाहिए, इसमें भी 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन गया, इसमें भी 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन जाना चाहिए। ओके लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होता है, क्या होता है कि इसमें से 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन जाता है लेकिन यहाँ से सपोज मान लो 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन गया, तो इसलिए यहाँ पे धीरे धीरे क्या होगा कि यहाँ पे डेफिशिएंसी हो जाएगा, इलेक्ट्रॉन कम हो जाएगा। तो इलेक्ट्रॉन कम हो जब हो जाएगा, ये जो थिकनेस ऑफ दिस पाथ और थिकनेस ऑफ दिस चैनल विल गो ऑन डिक्रीजिंग। ओके तो एट ए पर्टिकुलर वोल्टेज जब ये वोल्टेज बहुत ज्यादा हो जाएगा तो क्या होगा कि ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ से शिफ्ट हो गया है लेकिन उतना इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ से नहीं आया है, तो इसके लिए ये जो चैनल का विड्थ है थिकनेस ये डिक्रीज होकर ग्रेजुअली 0 हो जाएगा। ओके तो इस तरफ का चैनल मेरा क्रिएट हो जाएगा। ओके तो एट दैट टाइम आफ्टर दैट इफ यू गो ऑन इंक्रीजिंग ड्रेन वोल्टेज still the current will not increase or the current will be getting saturated. Okay so next we'll see what will happen if I apply certain gate voltage. Okay suppose I apply a positive gate voltage, suppose this is +1. Okay so when I'll apply this, okay initially the channel was also there, so this was the channel means these free electrons are available here. Okay and it is of n type. Now when I'm applying this VGS equal to +1 volt, let's say, what it will do, this gate terminal is now +1 volt or it's a positive voltage. So if it is positive, this gate terminal is positive, then it will try or it will pull electron or it will push electron. If it is positive, it will pull electron. Okay so it will try to attract electron from this body. Okay so what will happen, basically electron will be coming, electrons which are there here, so they are getting attracted. Okay but this electron cannot pass here because I have a insulating layer. Okay so basically this electron will come and they will be gathered here. Okay so that means initially जितना चैनल का width था, ये चैनल का width और थोड़ा बढ़ जाएगा, है कि नहीं, क्योंकि इनिशियली मान लो इतना तुम्हारा चैनल का विड्थ था, लेकिन जब यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव वोल्टेज अप्लाई किया तो सम इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विल बी अट्रैक्टेड एंड दोज इलेक्ट्रॉन विल बी gathered here. Okay so after gathering, let us say this is my channel width, so channel width has been increased little bit. Okay so if this channel width is increased, what will happen to this saturation current, or how will the shape of this curve? Tell me. When the current will be, drain current will be saturated, it will be whether the curve will be above or the curve will be lower, or how it will be.
above, sir.
Yes, obviously it will be above, because I have now more width. Okay, so with more application of more positive voltage, the channel width will be completed to zero, come to zero. Okay, so now you go on in applying some VDS value. Okay, so let us say at this voltage, ओके सपोज मान लो पहले VGS 0 में यहाँ पे सेचुरेट हो रहा था, लेकिन अभी VGS 1 में यहाँ पे सेचुरेट हो रहा है. ओके, so with a positive application of this positive voltage, the ID current will get saturated with a higher positive drain voltage. Okay, now similarly, if you apply a negative voltage, what will happen to this channel? What will happen to this channel? The channel width will be increased or decreased or remain constant. Initially इतना channel था तुम्हारा. Okay, you apply a negative voltage, that is, let us say VGS is -1, or this gate terminal is now negative. So if it is negative, then what will happen? This is negative. Okay, so negative means it will push electron or pull electron.
Push.
So pull.
Push
Yes,
electron.
negative means you know that
Push.
the same charge repel each other. Okay, so this is negative side. So negative side will push the electron. So that means these free electron which are there inside this channel, so they will be pushed away. Okay, so some of the electron will be pushed away. Okay, so when they will be pushed away, this channel will be, or the width of this channel will be decreased. So initially इतना था, तो अभी मान लो थोड़ा सा छोटा हो गया, पतला हो गया channel. Okay, so if this channel is now thinner, with an application of the less amount of VDS value, it will be saturated. Yes or no? It will be saturated quickly.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
because of the application of this negative VGS value, the channel has been weaker, or channel is now thinner. Okay, so if the channel is thin, with application of a lesser gate drain voltage, this channel will be saturated, or this channel will be pinched off. Okay, so now up to, let's say, up to this point it will increase. After that, VGS equal to, let us say, -1. Okay, one more thing I have not told you. During VGS equal to 0, let us say at this application of this voltage, that means for this example, let us say by application of 4 volt, the channel was getting saturated, drain current was getting saturated. That means this was called as the VP, or the pinch off voltage. That means when VGS was 0, with application of whatever drain voltage, the channel was getting saturated. That is called as the pinch off voltage. Okay, so now let us say this by applying 4 volt, the channel was getting pinched off. Okay, so now if let us say I apply VGS equal to -1, I got this curve. Similarly, if I apply -2, then again I will get another curve below here, below this one, -2. Okay, so now tell me, if my VGS equal to VP, that means let us say VGS equal to -4 if I am applying. Okay, at that time, what will happen to this channel? This channel will be completely removed away. Yes or no? Because
Yes, sir.
see, when it was completely 0, okay, suppose it was 0, I applied here 4 volt. That means with the application of 4 volt, this channel was getting 0, or this channel was getting pinched up. Okay, so now the same voltage if I'm applying here in the opposite manner, okay, then that much force is pulling away this electron. So if that much force is pulling away this electron, then this channel will be, or this portion will be removed away. So if this channel will be removed away, the current will be 0. So VGS equal to, if you apply VGS equal to Vp, then your ID will be equal to 0. So if you look at this curve and think about the curve of this JFET, is there any difference between them? Just a single difference is there. Just tell me the difference. JFET में इस तरफ का कैरेक्टरिस्टिक हम निकाले थे, ओके, एंड इसमें भी डिप्लेशन मॉसफेट में भी वही कैरेक्टरिस्टिक हम निकाल रहे हैं, ओके, उनके बीच में एक डिफरेंस है. वो डिफरेंस क्या है, थोड़ा सोच के बताओ. किसी के पास कॉपी में है, कॉपी में वो वाला लिखे हो?
सर VGS इंक्रीज करने से आईडी डिक्रीज होता है.
VGS इंक्रीज करने से आईडी
डिक्रीज होता है.
किसमें, इसमें कि JFET में?
JFET
नहीं, VGS इंक्रीज करने से, VGS का तुम शायद P टाइप का देख रहे हो, VGS का वही जो है ना JFET का N टाइप का देखो, N टाइप JFET का कर्व देखो, N टाइप JFET का कर्व देखो और ये वाला कर्व देखो. Okay, so in N type JFET we have done the same thing, that is VGS equal to 0 लिए थे, VGS equal to -1, VGS equal to -2, VGS equal to Vp, ये सब लिए थे. लेकिन एक चीज हम नहीं लेते, ये वाला VGS equal to +1, any positive value that we have not taken in case of your N type JFET. But here we are taking this thing. So this is the only difference. Okay, why? Because if you are applying some positive voltage, it is helping for increasing this channel. Okay, but in case of your JFET, if you are applying this positive voltage, still it will not help for this channel to increase, क्योंकि उसमें N type JFET में ऐसे होता है ना. ओके, तो इधर अगर नेगेटिव वोल्टेज डालोगे तो क्या होगा कि यहाँ पे जो डिप्लेशन रीजन है ये इंक्रीज करेगा. ओके, तो विथ एप्लीकेशन ऑफ नेगेटिव VGS वैल्यू, this depletion region will increase and it will, I mean, saturation, it will get saturated quicker. But if you apply positive voltage, still there is no difference, because already the depletion region which is initially present, only this much of depletion region will be removed away by application of some positive gate voltage. Okay, but that will not significantly improve the drain current. Okay, so that's why in case of your N type JFET, we are not looking at any positive gate voltage, only we are looking at the negative side. But here what you are finding out, if you are applying a positive gate voltage, then this channel width will increase and that will help for increase in this drain current. Okay, so that is the only difference. Just you remember that in case of D type MOSFET, we are taking some positive value, okay, positive value of VGS, but in case of your JFET, we are taking up to VGS equal to 0 or any negative VGS value. Okay, so there is the difference. Okay, so here this D MOSFET also follows the Shockley's equation. So using that Shockley's equation, we can draw its transfer characteristics. Okay, before going to that, do its transfer characteristics graphically here, then we'll solve one problem. Just in the similar manner, if you want to do the transfer characteristics, so let us say this is my VGS axis. and this is ID axis. So at what VGS, what ID value we are getting, if you plot them, then that will be your transfer characteristics. So at 0 VGS, you are getting, okay, and this is also called as the IDSS, similar to your JFET. In JFET, when VGS equal to 0, the maximum drain maximum possible drain current was called as IDSS. Here also for the D MOSFET also, this value is IDSS. That means for VGS equal to 0, the maximum drain current is called as the IDSS. Okay. Next, let us say for -1, this is the drain current. Similarly for -2, this is the drain current. And let us say Vp, suppose it is -4, and at -4, the drain current is 0. Okay, because I am taking, let us assume that Vp is equal to 4 volt, let's say. Okay, so basically it is, this value is Vp. Okay, if you are considering Vp is -4, then this is the -4 point. Okay, so if you join them, then this is your transfer characteristics. Okay, so see, this thing we are doing in case of your JFET, from starting from Vp to this point we are doing. So here in case of your D MOSFET, one more thing also we can do, that is what, at VGS equal to +1, how much is my positive drain current? So this is the drain current happening at VGS equal to +1. So +1 matlab, suppose this is +1, so you put a line. Okay, so connect them. So your characteristics is lying from Vp to some positive value. During your JFET, it was from Vp to this point. Okay, Vp to 0, itna tha tumhara range. Okay, but in case of your D MOSFET, it is going from Vp to some positive value. Any positive value it can go. Okay, so that thing we'll see one problem. Sketch the transfer characteristics of a N-type D MOSFET. For a N-type D MOSFET. The values are given. IDSS is 10 milliampere. Vp equal to -4 volt. Okay, draw the transfer characteristics. Okay, transfer characteristics. Okay, so can you do it in the same manner? Like as I told you, it is this depletion MOSFET also follow the Shockley's equation. So you can put the Shockley's equation which we have discussed earlier. Okay, and the table which we have found out. So that table also you can apply here. Okay, so calculate it. VGS versus ID. So what values I'll take? Tell me how I'll proceed. Tell me.
VGS 0, ID
0
0,
लेंगे, उसके बाद
ID भी 0,
ID कितना है? VGS 0 में ID 0 होगा?
सर 10 होगा।
IDSS होगा 10 होगा।
Yes, IDSS होगा। ओके, वो वाला इक्वेशन तुमको याद होगा, लिखने का जरूरत नहीं है। ओके, अदरवाइज ओके लिख देता हूँ। ओके, 0.3 VGS, yes sir, VP 0.5 VP. Okay, VP is IDSS, then it is IDSS by 2,
Then IDSS by 4,
0. Okay, and for any other VGS value, you can calculate using Shockley's equation. Suppose for this depletion MOSFET you want to calculate for some positive value +1 you want to calculate, तो उसमें तो टेबल नहीं है, तो यहाँ पे सपोज मान लो कि फॉर 1 वोल्ट इसमें क्या है, वो Shockley's equation डालोगे, ID equal to IDSS into 1 minus VGS by VP होल स्क्वायर, सबका वैल्यू डालोगे, IDSS दिया गया है, VP दिया गया है, VGS में 1 डालोगे, इसको करके 1 के लिए कितना है कैलकुलेट कर देना है। ओके, ये चारों तो डायरेक्ट मिल जाएगा, ये और एक पॉइंट पॉजिटिव साइड में इसको कैलकुलेट कर देना है और उसको सबको ज्वाइन करके तुम्हारा प्लॉट मिल जाएगा। ओके, सो दैट विल डू हियर। VGS versus ID 0, VP is -4. Okay, so it is -1.2, then it is -2, then it is -4, तो उसके लिए वैल्यू लिख दो डायरेक्टली, 0 के लिए 10, इसके बाद 5, ये होगा 2.5, 0, सपोज फॉर 1 you calculate it, ID equal to IDSS 10 into 1 minus VGS by VP, VGS by VP is -4 whole square. Okay, so it is 1.25 square. 1 plus 1 by 4, that is 1.25, 1.25 square 6.25. Yes, you calculate it, it will come as 15.63. 15.63 milliampere. Okay, so just now you can plot them. So this is -4, -2, -1. Okay, so here let us say, and the positive side, let us, this is 10. Okay, and this will be your 5, and it will be 2.5. 2.5 लेफ्ट साइड को मेरा कर्व लिखूंगा, तो इसलिए आई एम राइटिंग इन द राइट साइड, एंड इट इज 10. ओके, तो दिस इज 1 पॉइंट, एट -4 इट इज 0, 10 में 0 में 10 है. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज -1.25. ओके, सो -1.2, हियर इट इज -1.25, and -2 2.5. This is another point. One more point is +1 15.63. So 10, 5, 10, 15. So this is 15. Okay. So this is not the point, but it is, this value is 15, 15. So 15.63 and at 1. So here you 15.63. Suppose this value is 15.63. So this is another point of the graph. So join them. Okay, पहले इतना तक जा रहे थे, अभी क्या करोगे, उसको राइट साइड में यहाँ पे ज्वाइन करोगे, ज्वाइन करके ऐसे पढ़ा सकते हो. Okay, so this is the transfer characteristics of this depletion type MOSFET. Okay. Now the same thing, if I apply to the P-type DMOSFET, then how it will be, or how its working will be. P-type P type D MOSFET. Okay, I mean everything is same but in the opposite polarity. So what should be the body? Body should be
N type.
N. Okay, so here you take a drain, take a source and a path or a channel. Okay, so these are P type. P type, just I am writing in short, you just know that this body is N type and this one is P type, this channel is also P type and this source is also P type. Okay, now let us say this is your source terminal, this is your gate terminal and this is your drain terminal. Okay, and what you are applying, the voltage between VGS okay, and previously we are applying this voltage, so the current will be like this. Okay, so this drain will be at a higher potential. Okay, so this will this drain will be at lower potential. Okay, it will basically the communication here will happen through the holes. Like in case of a N type D MOSFET, the conduction was happening using electron, free electron. Here the conduction will happen using holes. Okay, because here the path is created with holes and the source and drain, they are also created using holes. Okay, so this type of thing you connect here, let us say. Just opposite. Okay, so if this source is or drain is connected to a negative potential, that means it is attracting hole, because if it is at lower potential, it is trying to pull holes, attract holes. So holes are, and this positive side is rich with hole, so hole is coming in this way and it is reaching here, it is going and it is going in this way. So since hole is moving in this way, so the direction of current flow is same to the direction of flow of holes. So that's why this upside is given as the drain current direction. Okay, so its characteristic will be like this. Vg is equal to 0. Now, if I apply certain positive voltage, what will happen? Suppose initially this gate and source were connected. Okay, suppose initially gate and source were connected, Vg is equal to 0, and I got that graph. So now, if I apply some positive voltage here, then what will happen? Whether this channel will be wider or thinner? If gate voltage is positive, okay, I have not drawn all these things, so here also insulator is there. Okay, so insulator, and above this insulator, this gate terminal. Okay, so if I'm applying positive voltage, so this positive voltage will push the holes, or it will pull the holes.
Push the holes.
Okay, so if I'm applying positive voltage, then it will push the holes. Okay, so holes will be pushed away. So if the holes will be pushed away, the channel thickness will decrease. So with if the channel thickness is decreased with a less VDS value, that will be drain current will be saturated. VGS इक्वल टू +1. ओके, एन टाइप में देखो यहाँ पे VGS -1 में हो रहा था, डिक्रीज हो रहा था, ये वाला कॉल. ओके, लेकिन इसमें पी टाइप में VGS +1 में डिक्रीज हो रहा है. ऐसे करके VGS VP में ये ID 0 रहेगा. And similarly, if I apply negative voltage, then if I apply negative voltage, then how what will happen to channel? Channel will
I
be
would increase
channel
sir.
widen or thicker, okay, and the saturation will happen with a larger VDS value. Okay, just it is the opposite of the n type. n type में ऊपर पॉजिटिव और नीचे सारा नेगेटिव आ रहा था. Okay, p type में इस तरफ का है. Okay, and its transfer curve is VGS ID. Okay, so basically it will be like this in the opposite side, because you can see one thing that VGS equal to 0, your ID is IDSS. So this is the maximum saturation current, IDSS. उसके बाद when the VGS is increasing, the max drain current is decreasing. Okay, and finally when VGS is VP, ID equal to 0. Okay, so when VGS is VP, ID is 0. Okay, and when VGS is some negative value, so ID is more than IDSS. So this is IDSS. When VGS is negative, this ID is more than IDSS. So it will go like this. When VGS is going towards negative side, VGS is going towards negative side, ID is increasing more than IDSS. Okay, just it is the opposite of the n-type D MOSFET. Just solve one problem. D MOSFET. Okay. Let us say your IDSS equal to given as 12, VP equal to, let us say 6. Okay, draw the transfer characteristics. Quickly you can do. This is the last one, and after that we'll stop. VGS, your ID. So let us, this is 12. Okay. 6, 3, and here it is 6. Okay, 6. Let us say this is 3 and 1, 2, 5, 6. Okay. The distribution is not equal. 3, 5, 6. Okay, so this is one point, this will be another point, and it will be that when VP by 2 at the time, it will be VP by IDSS by 4. Yes or no? And when VGS is VP by 2, or that is 3, ID will be equal to IDSS by 4, or ID will be equal to 3. Okay, so this is one more point. Okay, and another point where I'll take
सर 2 पे
2 पे, नहीं 2 नहीं,
सर
So 1.8.
1.8, 0.3 VP ना, ये VP है, 6 है VP. ओके, इधर लोग 0.3 ऑफ VP, दैट इज 1.8. 1.8
Yes, sir.
मतलब इसमें. ओके, उसमें आईडी कितना आएगा?
6 आएगा
6 आएगा. Okay. So this is okay. So 4 points we got. Another point we will calculate. Okay, that is, let us say for minus some minus value. For minus 1, how much ID equal to how much at minus 1, that we will calculate. IDSS 1 minus VGS by VP. Minus 1 by VP 6. और इसको कैलकुलेट कर दोगे, जितना वैल्यू आएगा, ऑब्वियसली 12 से ज़्यादा आएगा, तो सपोज मान लो जो भी वैल्यू आया, ओके, उसको ये -1 में इतना वैल्यू आ गया, तो ये सबको जॉइन कर दिया, ये हो गया उसका ट्रांसफर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. ओके. So in the next class, we'll solve some more problem on this replacement type MOSFET, and then we'll see the enhancement type MOSFET. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you guys. Thank you.